app called OBSIDIAN Connected Notes, your second brain on the go. Super cool and popular note-taking app. It's growing in charts. It's not yet mainstream. You can see just 2,000 ratings on iOS App Store, but people really recommending it independently. It's a powerful knowledge base that works on top of a local folder of plain text markdown files. It's a second brain for you on the go for iOS. So customizable toolbar, pull down quick actions, graph view, community plugins, themes, sidebar pinning for tablet, iCloud, Vaults. So here, kind of like Notion, but it's not. And then you can just organize all of these files. So let's just take a look. So you can create Vault, Obsidian, source notes on your device so you can access them quickly, even offline. Your data is stored in a secure local folder called Vault. And then you can just, let's take a look. And there you have it, super easy. Then you can just find them. You can see all of the notes, create a new notes, go to File. Open Graph View, create new canvas. Command palette, open filters, tags, groups, display, forces. You know what that is. Okay, so that's just my new note in here. Pretty cool. So you can see how that's connected. All of your notes, files, different types of view hotkeys, general, plugins. So you can link each of the nodes. You can see, you can create canvas, templates, and that's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, quite advanced app. I guess you need to spend like few hours to learn it, but then it's kind of worth it. And yeah, it's on your phone. So yeah, try it out.